Hello everyone, it's Drew Detzner with 3D Wellness asking you, have you heard the word about MediHerb? In this video, we're going to focus on a MediHerb supplement called Andrographis Complex. Andrographis Complex by MediHerb is a combination of 3 different plants and the essential oils from one of those plants. They are echinacea, holy basil, and andrographis. These herbs have long been used to support the functioning of the immune system, especially the first wave response of the immune system. We commonly see clients need Andrographis complex at the onset of an upper respiratory issue like a cough or cold. This, in addition to other immune support products, is what we recommend to our clients to knock out that cough or cold before it turns into a bigger problem. Now you can say, you have heard the word about MediHerb.